Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XPR Network. Welcome to the new generation. It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, guys, then make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And guys, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. Anyways, guys, without further ado, let us begin first and foremost with the price of XPR and metal at the time of the recording. So, XPR is down 2.32% for the day. The price is $0.009457. If we look at the 7-day chart, guys, the price is up 12.88%, and the bullish sentiment was also delineated here in by Investors Observer. XPR Network receives a bullish rating Tuesday. Is it time to get on board? So this was February 6, 2024. The website is bullish. XPR Network has a bullish sentiment reading. Find out what this means for you and get the rest of the rankings on the XPR Network. So yeah, XPR Network increased by 12.88%, 7 days. Let us look at the monthly chart. So it is up 1.48% for the month, but basically it went from 0.000741 all the way to 0.00, and now it is basically trying to test this crucial support area over here, 0.00009594, this range. Yeah, but overall, guys, XPR Network is extremely underrated at the moment, or undervalued. Let me rephrase myself. It is down 47.65% yearly chart. If you look at the all-time chart, it is down significantly, 98.55%. The market cap is $23 million. Let us look at metal as well while we're at it. So this is metal blockchain, part of the Metallicus ecosystem, layer 0 of Metallicus. So metal basically is up 1.57% for the day. The price is $0.05332. If you look at the 7-day chart, the price has also increased from 0.050. It went all the way to 0.055. What I like is that both metal and XPR are reciprocating each other, so this is good. I mean, if one moves up, then you get the opportunity to invest in the other and rotate the profits. I like that sort of stuff. It is down 9.82% for the month. If we look at the all-time, so yeah, all-time chart, guys, it is down 96.56% with a market cap of $8.4 million, guys. So, I mean, this is peanuts for the current circulation. So, guys, XPR is basically the next generation according to its community. So check this out. I've got some wonderful posts for you guys. I enjoyed reading them, so I thought of sharing those with you as well. So check this out. This is shout out to Protons. Welcome to the next generation, XPR. No gas fees, simple at wallet address. So you do not have those complicated wallet addresses, complex ones. You get a good, nice wallet address. Trading on chain, instant transactions. So yeah, welcome to the next generation. What do you guys think? Is XPR or the Metallicus ecosystem the next generation or not? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. This is from Real Profit. He has shared multiple posts, guys. I've seen them recently. Check this out. XPR Network revolutionizes cross-border transactions, providing fast, secure, and cost-effective solution. XPR at the forefront of compliance and regulation with its DID protocol and ISO 20022 compatibility. XPR is the future. So it is ISO 20022 compatible as well, as we've mentioned before. So check this out. And if you look at this, guys, it is trying to optimize for payments, supply chain, tokenized assets, decentralized finance, digital identity. So the XPR network revolutionizes cross-border transactions by providing a fast, secure, and cost-effective solution. And who else provides cross-border payment solutions, guys? Yeah, you know it, XRP as well. So basically, doing what it is doing, what XRP is doing. So let's see. There can be multiple winners in this space. Many people compete are trying to uh, make XPR compete with XRP. That no, it is better. The XRP community says that no, XPR is a scam or it isn't what XRP is. So I think at the end of the day, there can be a lot of winners. So check this out. Businesses can leverage the network's high throughput and low latency to enable near instant settlement of international payments, eliminating the delays and fees associated with traditional banking systems. Guys, I can relate to this. I've had so many delays in getting my funds transferred through the traditional banking systems. I mean, that needs to change. We're living in, uh, we need to advance and prosper. I mean, from this outdated system, guys. This is true. Check this out. Shout out to Money with Crypto, XPR, Proton, maybe the most underrated and undervalued blockchains out there, with the ability to integrate tokenized assets, fully compliant, fastest blockchain with 4,500 TPS. I mean, a lot of projects say fastest blockchain. I mean, it doesn't need to be the fastest, and it doesn't need to be the fastest. Basically, it needs to be used by the institutions, by the enterprises. I mean, it has to be fast theoretically to be used by them, but no, it has to do more. You have to have good partnerships, and you have to have a good PR team, and all of that stuff counts as well. And XPR Metallicus seems to have good connections, so I'll agree to that. Basically, FEDNOW and others, payments and own wallet, cool. XPR and XPR network layer 1 and Metal blockchain layer 0, both are super fast, scalable, compliant, ISO 20022 compatible, and together are laying the foundation for a robust DeFi ecosystem. So check this out. XPR network being compared with Binance, Avalanche, Solana, Polygon, and I think it is out competing them. Zero gas fees, variable, no front ending, all of them. Cool. I think this is metal. So yeah, blockchain type, layer 0, multi-chain, architecture, sovereign subchains, maximum TPS. Check this out, guys. Infinite, scalable via parallel processing, sub block time, sub-second, consensus mechanism, Snowman, scalability, most scalable, decentralized applications with high throughput and low latency, tokenized assets, smart contracts, banking blockchains, additional features, sovereign subchains like XPR network being its A chain, and it has MetalX as well being built on top of it, XPR. And check this out, guys, the partners: FedNow, Temenos, Jack Henry, Clover, Fiserv, three undisclosed banking institutions. So great, guys. I think it has got great connections as well. What I like about the XPR Metallicus ecosystem is that they've got good network. So check this out. XPR Network strengthens the DeFi ecosystem. It is involved with DeFi as well by utilizing its decentralized structure, providing security and instant transactions, zero gas fees, and advanced token operations. That is cool. So this is from Marshall Hayner. This could be exciting. One step closer. So basically the price rising, guys, and XPR being discovered. Maybe it's time. So this is shout out to Mr. James Barnett, comparing Metal with Avalanche. Okay, sorry. So yeah, I think it's Avalanche, AVEX. One is partnered with Temenos, Jack Henry, Fiserv, and working towards becoming a FedNow certified service provider. And the other is Avalanche. Metal blockchain is the easiest mid to long run term play. What do you guys think? Can it reach this market cap in the long run, guys? Giving us a 1618.12x. What do you guys think? Hit the comment box below. Is it possible? I mean, a lot of things have happened in crypto, so we cannot rule out anything. I mean, anything can happen, and it can even go south as well. So, not financial advice, anyways. So, check this out yet again from Real Profit. Metal and many will regret not buying under 10 cents. Currently 5 cents basically, with 8 million market cap and a hard capped supply under 675 million. All-time high was $1.65 in September of 2022. BSA compliant and ISO 20022 compatibles, guys. So really, I think a lot of networking, a lot of partnerships, associations, integrations. I really like what they're doing, the connections and various sectors that they're involved with, the Metallicus ecosystem. That is great. DeFi, payments. Check this out. Gaming as well, built for gaming. Imagine streaming payments and a proof of work system added to a decentralized gaming platform. Only on the XPR network is this possible. So a lot of stuff happening, guys, for the Metallicus ecosystem. And what do you guys think? Is it the new generation or not? The new generation of blockchain? Do hit the comment box below on what you think about XPR Metal. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. Anyways, guys, like I say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.